Facebook has banned T. Raja Singh, a BJP leader who's at the core of allegations that the social media giant did not apply hate speech rules on members of the ruling BJP. He was banned for violating Facebook's policy on content promoting hate and violence. Now, Facebook's action comes as it faces growing political pressure in India over its handling of volatile content. Sanket joining us at this point with the latest on that, as is Uma Sudhir. Sanket, to you first. Even as Facebook's top officials have appeared before Parliament Standing Committee, now this what appears to be belated action on this?
Well, yes, it seems that Facebook has acted against one of the people. In fact, if you recall, Ankita, in the Wall Street Journal article, it was exactly this person who was the bone of contention, that there was a lot of back and forth emailing within Facebook on whether his account should be banned or not. Raja Singh, who's no stranger to controversy as far as BJP is concerned. In fact, he has made extremely inflammatory remarks in the past also. He has gone on to say that he does not have an official page. This is a position that he reiterated even when this article came out of the Wall Street Journal. So on its part, what Facebook is trying to do is to basically send a message that it is acting or responding to the complaints that are coming in. So it will be interesting to see what sort of reaction are going to come from As of this moment, the party continues to maintain that Facebook is acting against this. In a way, technically proves the point. What the BJP is trying to say, what the Information Technology Minister also said in his letter to Mark Zuckerberg, that pro-right-wing pages are being taken down. However, is this belated damage control on the part of Facebook? I guess there is another hearing of the Standing Committee in which Facebook will have much explaining to do. All
right. Considering that Facebook is now facing criticism from both sides of the ideological divide, as it were, this could perhaps only strengthen what the government has said in that letter to Mark Zuckerberg. But Uma Sudhir, we've had the BJP MLA saying that he's not even on Facebook. So what is it then that Facebook has blocked? I mean, where does the truth lie?
Yes, indeed. Gosha Mahal MLA, the only lone MLA of the BJP in the state. In fact, Mr. Raja Singh has said that he has not been on Facebook, and the fact that his page has been allowed to stay there has nothing to do with the influence of the party on Facebook or otherwise. I have with me Mr. Ramchandra Rao. Sir, the Facebook has been accused of being pro-BJP, and you're actually criticizing them otherwise.
No, in fact, yesterday our Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has made it very clear that Facebook, ever since its operation in India, the Indian unit has been anti-BJP, anti-Modi and pro-left. And the right-wing waves, their views are almost blocked in the Facebook. So it is something very strange of the Congress party and their leader to blame the Facebook and the BJP together and having nexus with each other. It's a matter of very surprise.
Your colleague here, Mr. Raja Singh, his Facebook page was allowed to stay, was the criticism?
No, in fact, he said that earlier that his Facebook is being tampered. And then posts are being made on it by hacking it. And subsequently, he is not operating those Facebook. And some of his fans and followers have opened Facebook account on his name out of love and affection for him. So therefore, now he is not operating, but still that is staying there. So therefore, I don't think that he has made any posting there which is pro-BJP or anti-BJP. He is not using that particular Facebook account. So therefore, no question of. In fact, he himself has groused that Facebook has blocked him in several times. Earlier also he made that allegation. But of course, in present changed circumstances, he says that he is not operating the Facebook at all. That is what his contention is. And his Facebook, which are being operated, they are operated by his followers, not by him. So that is the difference.
But you're accusing Facebook of actually being anti-BJP.
Definitely, because that's what the government of India and also Ravi Shankar Prasad has taken that particular view. And Rahul Gandhi is trying to mislead the people. In fact, the Twitter, when it came, the Atlantica, they were misusing data. And data has been misused by the Twitter and other agencies. So we feel that the Facebook or any other social media that are being operated and in India, they are basically pro-left and anti-BJP.
Okay, as a lawyer as well, not just as a politician, is the view of Mr. Ramchandra Rao, I guess. Back to you in Delhi.